Trying to lose weight can seem like a daunting task. It's not about willpower, it's about knowledge. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use fasting for weight loss safely and effectively. I'll also show you the best way to do intermittent fasting that studies have shown is the most effective for losing weight and keeping it off. So stay tuned. Fasting for weight loss can be done in a variety of ways. Intermittent fasting is one that many people have heard about. Although many people have heard of it, they are unaware of its effectiveness. So, let's get started. Intermittent fasting, also known as intermittent energy restriction, refers to a variety of meal timing patterns that alternate between voluntary fasting and non-fasting over a set period of time. Alternate day fasting, periodic fasting, and daily time-restricted feeding are three types of intermittent fasting. But I'm only going to focus on the most common and easiest one, daily time-restricted feeding. What is the process of intermittent fasting? There are numerous ways to go about it, but they all revolve around choosing regular times to eat and fast. For example, you could try eating only during a 12 or 16-hour period each day and fasting the rest of the time. You should select the method that works best for you and your body. Most essential, you should be aware that intermittent fasting works by extending the time between when your body has burned the calories taken during your last meal and when you have your next eating window. As a result, during fasting, your body has the option to use fat stores for energy. Many diets concentrate on what to eat, but intermittent fasting focuses on when to eat. Extra calories and less movement are also linked to an increased risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other disorders. As a result, scientific investigations have shown that intermittent fasting may aid in reversing these changes. However, you should be aware that fasting for longer periods of time, such as 24, 36, 48, and 72 hours, is not necessarily beneficial for you and may be dangerous. Going too long without eating may actually stimulate your body to start storing more fat in reaction to famine. So, before you get started, make sure to consult with your doctor. It's better to be safe than sorry. Water and zero-calorie liquids, such as black coffee and tea, are permitted when you are not eating. Eating normally during your eating periods does not imply going insane. If you fill your meals with high-calorie junk food, supersized fried foods, and desserts, you're unlikely to lose weight or get healthy. The goal of it all would be thwarted. Stick to low-density calories and avoid snacking. Most people, in my opinion, would benefit by extending their overnight fast by a few hours to begin with. It's ideal to start with 12 or 16-hour windows from when you go to bed through the next morning. If you follow my advice, I guarantee that within a month you will notice significant improvements in smile as you fit into your garments, which will start dangling from your waist. There is nothing better than a trim physique accompanied by good health. It will help relieve any joint problems in the knees and waist that you may be suffering, and you'll be overjoyed and relieved that you did it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health information. Thanks for watching.